777, your gateway to crypto velocity. Get ready to accelerate your wealth with the fastest growing cryptocurrency project. Buckle up, because we're about to take crypto motorsports to the next level. Imagine a world where crypto meets the thrill of motorsports. Earn CMS tokens by participating in our racing events. Predict wins and engage with our community. Lightning-fast transactions, secure and transparent. Zero transaction fees and instant withdrawals. Convert $CMS tokens to your favorite cryptos. Our platform is designed for speed and simplicity. Here's how you can start earning. Sign up and claim your free $CMS tokens. Participate in racing events and predict wins. Earn rewards in multiple cryptocurrencies. Withdraw your earnings instantly in any cryptocurrency. Ready to put the pedal to the metal? Join us today. The link to sign up is in the description
What do
below.
you do with the
Crypto
Bitcoin besides
motorsports,
it
you're
just
racing to the top.
gather value?
Don't forget to
Real estate
like,
developers in
subscribe,
New York
and hit the
City, They're not
notification
buying
bell.
the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor.